Hello, my name is Garrett Weidig, and this is an engineering and ergonomic analysis of shoulder posture in a seated position through the use of an avatar. So in the last 20 years, posture has been a main concern, especially because of the increase in technology used at the workforce and at school. This increase in technology can perpetuate poor posture, which includes slouching of the shoulders and downward neck movements. This can lead to eventual joint and back pain, and there are ergonomic standards in place which suggest that the ankle and knee angles should be at 90 degrees, the back should be completely erect, and the shoulders should be square. However, these standards are rarely known and even less are followed. Therefore, there is a need to bridge office engineering to communicable ergonomics to benefit the user. Therefore, the goal of this study was to define posture in both engineering and ergonomic terms in order to bridge the communication gap with the users. In this pilot study, 5 participants typed and moused for 5 minutes each, then spent some time in an erect posture. Reflective markers were placed on the shoulders of the participants in order to define shoulder posture. Initially, shoulder curvature was how we defined shoulder posture. This used more markers, was more accurate. However, it is less communicable and less straightforward. Therefore, the current marker setup that we use is the shoulder angle defined by the top of the left shoulder, the top of the spine, and the top of the right shoulder. Even though this is more simple, it is straightforward and is easy to communicate among different fields. This is the angle that was used for shoulder angle deviation in order to define good and poor posture. Also, some participants were fully marked up on their entire body so that an avatar could be created out of them. From an engineering perspective, it can be seen that the slouch posture greatly deviates from the erect posture by about 15 to 16 degrees. It can also be seen that the typing posture is worse than the mousing posture. This may be because of the inward positioning of the hands during typing. In the bottom right, we have posture defined in an ergonomic sense. We can see that the shoulder angle is different and the downward neck movements, which previously defined poor posture. Therefore, we were able to quantitatively and qualitatively define shoulder slouching and the angle associated with it. We were also able to prove that the avatar is an ample way to reflect these engineering findings. However, further study will be required to determine the spectrum of good and poor posture. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation, and I hope you have a great rest of the conference.